Traveling from Miami International Airport, MIA, to the Port of Miami Cruise Terminal is straightforward, with several transportation options to suit different preferences and budgets. Here are some of the most common methods. 1. Cruise line shuttle services. Many cruise lines offer dedicated shuttle services between MIA and the Port of Miami. For instance, Carnival Cruise Line provides transportation on embarkation and debarkation days. To utilize this service, flights should arrive at MIA no later than 12:00 p.m. on the day of embarkation, and return flights should depart no earlier than 1:00 p.m. on debarkation day. It's advisable to purchase these transfers at least 2 days before your sail date. 2. Independent shuttle services. Several companies offer shuttle services between MIA and the cruise terminal. SuperShuttle provides private and shared ride options, including transfers to Miami Beach hotels and other local destinations. Miami Port Shuttle offers affordable shared and private van services, also covering areas like Fort Lauderdale International Airport and various Miami neighborhoods. 3. Ride-sharing and taxis. Ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft are readily available at MIA, offering convenient door-to-door service. Traditional taxis are also an option. They are exempt from car seat laws, which might be beneficial for travelers with young children. 4. Public transportation. While more economical, public transportation requires transfers and may not be ideal for travelers with significant luggage. The Miami-Dade Transit System operates buses that connect the airport to downtown Miami, from where additional transportation to the port would be necessary. 5. Private car services. For a more personalized experience, private car services are available, offering luxury vehicles and tailored schedules. These services can be arranged in advance and are ideal for groups seeking comfort and convenience. Additional tips. Booking in advance. Especially during peak cruise seasons, it's recommended to book your chosen mode of transportation ahead of time to ensure availability. Travel time. The distance between MIA and the Port of Miami is approximately 8 miles. Depending on traffic, the journey typically takes around 20 to 30 minutes. Cost considerations. Shared shuttle services generally offer more economical rates, while private transfers and ride-sharing services may provide more flexibility and comfort at a higher cost. By evaluating your specific needs, such as budget, group size, and convenience, you can select the transportation option that best suits your journey from Miami International Airport to the Port of Miami Cruise Terminal. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for supporting us to make more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.